Goethe-Institut and the Kaaga girls, they've been in a partnership for installation of solar. We offer German in Kaaga girls, and of course we use electricity for lighting and also for the use of computers and the smart board. We've been having challenges with the high power bills. Our school is quite big and we run power bills going up to 200,000 in a month. And with the new project, we anticipate that the power bills will definitely go down with the installation of the power panels.
So we've been doing work for the German school, and we installed a kitchen solar system for them. We've installed an 18 kilowatt solar system, and it's a grid tie system, no batteries backup. So today the main goal was to hand over the system and to give the students an understanding of what solar is, how it works, for their benefit in the future. Maybe it's a direction they want to take up in their career.
There's a lot of talk in the world about going green, and part of trying to get that conversation going is creating a good foundation at a young age. And the best and right place to do such a thing is in such an institution where students are actually learning about such concepts. So this is actually a good place for schools to come and learn because they have the system installed and they can physically see it. They can see components such as the solar panels, the inverters. Yeah, that will sort of build a better learning environment for them.
We are grateful to get this opportunity of learning about the solar energy. The solar panels have really put us on another new level, in that our school can now save energy, and we are looking forward to even installing more and also saving more energy for our school. For the physics students, we can now relate with what we learn in class, and we can put it practically to our school, in that we can come and look at the solar panels, and the teacher is explaining to us even more, and we are also understanding the concept even more.
My vision for the project is that this solar panel inspires the girls here who are interested in engineering and green energy to actually proceed with these kind of studies, where they learn, where they can directly see and learn how a solar panel works, and come up with their own ideas on how to develop this kind of technology further.
We've come from far with them. Being a foreign language, being taught in Kenyan curriculum, you need massive support, and the Goethe-Institut has always been there for us. I can say, from stocking our library, from stocking our German room, they support the learning and teaching of German. They support even the students who have learned or who are in the German classes. We benefit from them because they are able to see their language being taught and being taught well.
Goethe has been a true friend to Kaaga girls, and we have enjoyed a lot from this partnership. And I want to say to Goethe, one, we appreciate that partnership. We've really enjoyed, and we are looking forward to more partnership.